Okay, and we start talking about research last time and what is a research, and we defined research as original investigation undertaken in order to gain knowledge and understanding. And from this definition by RAA, we highlighted three words: original and gain knowledge and understanding. And we explain what is the originality, and what is the method to be original in your research, and what is the tool, technique, procedure, and method, and exploring the unknown and exploring the anticipated. You can be original by exploring the anticipated. You can be original by use of data, and we explain all of the method in order for you to know what is meaning original. And the second thing is in the definition was gain knowledge. Gain knowledge. We're going to talk about what is the meaning of gaining knowledge. Just to give you a bigger picture or a high picture, uh, gain knowledge mean to contribute to the body of the knowledge in the certain subject, to the body of the knowledge of for your class, for your university, for your community, for the whole world. So, knowledge, gaining the knowledge or contribute refer to sharing a new idea, theories, result with the rest of the world. Okay, if you see this diagram I'm presenting,
Yes,
uh,
yes,
you could see the body of the knowledge represented the word understanding in the upper outer boundaries. You see current boundary of the word knowledge بشكل عام لكل for all the world, represented by theory, concepts, models, science, art, and so forth. Different way it represented the knowledge in books. So the representation is there. The knowledge is stored in books, journals, article, conferences, proceeding, whatever comes out from each conference, documents, report, internet, art, people, minds, and more. So this is represent the whole world body of knowledge. Your own knowledge, uh, you could see it is to the right, uh, is shown as subsum within the whole domain of knowledge. يعني انت عندك knowledge معينة uh, in certain subject. You see in the body of the whole knowledge of the world what everybody knows about, for example, computer. And in the computer body, you have your own knowledge. You can learn things that other people that already know. بس كلها in the domain of the world knowledge. انت مش جايب إشي جديد. في عندك knowledge understanding within the domain of the world knowledge, وانت عندك your own learning انت بتتعلم من اشي already existed، يعني مش جايب اشي جديد، بس ايش انت you gaining knowledge about something that is already existed. So you expand to your own brain cloud knowledge about certain things that already knows. Looking at the bigger picture, you can make a contribution to the word knowledge. We're still talking about is the definition of the research, remember. How نعرف knowledge word and the definition of the word. So making contribution to the word knowledge from your research, when you invented something, you come up with a theory. لما حكينا لكم انت you have to come up with a problem statement or question or theory or hypothesis that is need to be studied. So انت بتجيب الhypothesis, you need to study it. So you do your research. From the outcome of the research, you come up with your contribution to the existing knowledge. وهاي هي الفكرة basically لما انت تروح تدرس دكتوراه in the higher education like PhD degree, you have to contribute to the body of the world knowledge. يعني you look at the circle from the outside, you need to contribute to the whole way. You need to come up with something unique. That's why it is when you're doing a research on the higher level of education, like PhD degree, you are passive, not passive. You are talking about the future. You're not talking beyond where you are when you're doing researches in the undergraduate. You are passive. You are thinking about the existing knowledge, something already known. Clear? What is the knowledge meaning in the context of the definition of the research?